Okay guys, so this is a video tutorial showing us how you can get your Arbvault account activated. Now, very importantly, these are the two main wallets that you need to have set up. Your Arbitron, which is where you're going to keep the amount you want to stake, and then your Arbitron Ethereum, which is mainly for your gas fee. Okay, and interestingly, just $1 or $2 gas fee is sufficient. Okay, so the moment you've downloaded your Trust wallet, you've transferred your Arbitron Ethereum and your Arbitron, just normal Arbitron 1, you're good. Now, for those who probably don't know how to get this set up, let me show you where you're going to click. You want to get your wallet installed, click on that spot there. Okay, click on that spot, and then it takes you to where you have various options of crypto coins. Just click here. So you type in your ARB, it's going to give you this option. So you take this to blue, select the two. That's the two that is needed for this purpose. Okay, so when that is done, you need to get a referral link from your sponsor. Okay, I've gotten a referral link now. You come here and you click on discover. Okay, click on discover. Oh, sorry. Click on discover. You see, you click on discover, it takes you into the browser. So the next thing you want to do, you want to be able to paste that referral link in the browser. The referral link that you get from your sponsor, you paste it in there. Okay, so I'll be doing that now. Click and hold and paste. So that's the referral link. Okay, and then you click on search. Okay, it brings you here. Now, sometimes automatically to connect the wallet, or you can click connect wallet. You have to select which wallet. We're using Trust wallet, so select Trust wallet. All right, now you change your wallet browser to Arbitron. By default, this was on Ethereum, so you click on it. All right, click to change the wallet. Okay guys, one thing that is very important you need to do is that you must be able to change the network. All right, and in doing so, you need to click on this dotted sign here. All right, click on that dotted sign. Okay, click on it, and then you see network. Click on the network that is there. Make sure the network is on Arbitron. All right, you want to put the network on Arbitron. So that's the first one. Select Arbitron. Okay, so you say connect wallet. So you ask you which of the wallet you're using. You're using Trust wallet, so select Trust wallet. Okay, click on connect. You say with this, you have connected into the Arbvault platform. Okay, so now what you have to do is you want to stake. So you click on start staking. Start staking. Click on that. And of course, what I'm staking is below 2,000 Arbitron. All right, it's within 10 to 2,000 Arbitron. So you select the first plan. If it's above 2,000 Arbitron, you select the next plan. So choose plan, select that. Then you scroll down, and then you type in the value of Arbitron. Type in the value of Arbitron you're staking. In this country, for this purpose, I'm staking 20. So I type in 20. All right, I type in 20 and you click on confirm deposit. And they allow you to go through the process. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, the process is very simple. Staking successful. So with this, you have registered and you have staked on the platform of Arbvault.